Welcome to the YouTube channel called Biblical Teachings, a channel dedicated to spreading the Word of God and helping others find answers to life's most pressing questions. My goal here is to guide you through the journey of exploring the Bible and its teachings, and to others who are open-minded to learn about the Bible and its teachings. On this channel, we'll be tackling various topics and questions, providing in-depth explanations and analysis to help you understand the Bible better. Whether you're seeking guidance, comfort, or simply want to learn more about your faith, we'll do our best to provide the answers you're looking for. We'll also be creating engaging videos that depict Jesus in different scenarios, showing how his teachings can be applied in various aspects of life. From meeting a superhero to encountering a supervillain, real-life people, and other characters Jesus would meet in that scenario, we'll explore how Jesus' message of love and redemption can transform even the most unlikely of situations. Our ultimate goal is to spread the gospel and help others find the answers they're seeking. We believe that the Bible has the power to transform lives, and we want to share that with the world. If you're looking for a community that shares your values and is passionate about spreading the Word of God, then join us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel, share our content with your friends and family, and help us spread the gospel to those who need it most. If you have any questions or topic you'd like to discuss, leave a comment below so that we can turn it into a video and replying to your comments. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you on your journey of faith.